discuss about alkenes. Alkenes, also known as olefins, are organic compounds that consist of carbon and hydrogen atoms with one or more carbon-to-carbon double bonds in their chemical structure. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. They are hydrocarbons because they are made of only one carbon and hydrogen atoms, and they are unsaturated because they have one or more double bonds in their chemical structure. If you know how to name alkenes, adding alkene nomenclature repertoire is a fairly straightforward task, whereas the names of alkanes end with the suffix -ane, alkenes end with the suffix -ene. A 2-carbon alkene, therefore, is named ethene. A 3-carbon alkene is named propene, and an alkene in 5-membered ring is called cyclopentene. For molecules in which the double bond can be put in more than one position, you must put a number in front of the parent name to indicate the position of the double bond. For example, 2 alkene locations are possible, so a number must be placed in front of the name to show the location of the double bond. The parent chain is numbered so that the alkene is given the lowest possible number. For example, you wouldn't name the pentene 3-pentene because that would be an identical structure to 2-pentene. Additionally, the alkene must be included in the parent chain. Even if a longer chain of carbon atoms can be found, that doesn't include the alkene. To number an alkene in a ring, number around the ring so that the double bond has the lowest possible number. The naming of alkenes with more than one double bond requires the use of a prefix, such as di, tri, tetra, and so forth, to indicate the number of double bonds in the molecule. Also, position of all double bonds is indicated with the numbers at the beginning of the name. Properties of alkenes. What does an alkene look like? Are they solids, liquids, or gases? The answer is all of the above. Earlier, we talked about alkenes as chains of carbon and hydrogen atoms bonded together. The physical state, solid, liquid, or gas of alkenes is dependent on the number of their carbon atoms. Simple alkenes like ethene and propene that have 2 to 4 carbon atoms are generally liquids. Alkenes having 17 or more carbon atoms are generally waxy solids, like paraffin wax, which is used to make candles. Well, the physical state of alkenes varies depending on the number of carbon atoms. What alkenes have in common is that they are both insoluble in and less dense than water. However, in general, soluble in organic solvents, so they will dissolve if you try mixing an alkene with an organic solvent like acetone or benzene. Density. Alkenes are lighter than water and are insoluble in water due to their non-polar characteristics. Alkenes are only soluble in non-polar solvents. Boiling points. The boiling point of each alkene is very similar to that of alkane, with the same number of carbon atoms. Ethene, propene, and the various butenes are gases at room temperature. All the rest that you are likely to come across are liquids. Melting points. Melting points of alkenes depends on the packaging of the molecules. Alkenes have similar melting points to that of alkanes. Polarity. Chemical structure and functional groups can affect the polarity of alkene compounds. The sp2 carbon is much more withdrawing than the sp3 hybridized orbitals, therefore contributing to higher boiling in cis isomers than trans isomers.